Sam Gordon Family Forge here. This is a really short video, but this is just so cool. I showed Yamas this light today. I had a lighting rep give me a whole bunch of retrofit kits. They're little LED modules that are designed to go inside of the outside parking lot lights. And so I got a little bitty one to demonstrate. I got to find a thing to put it in, but let me see here. So let me show you. Doing this in the dark so you kind of get an idea. But if you see this, these are 4,000. They're 4,000 lumens per module. Each module puts out 4,000 lumens. Now, to give you an idea, that light that you see in the front of this shed here, that one there is a parking lot light that I got. That one puts out, I think, roughly 3,500 lumens, and it lights up my backyard, you know, pretty well, I guess. All right, so just so you know, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to point this thing in the direction that I'm going to light up. So, all right, so YouTube, I'm going to turn this light on. I'm going to point it that direction. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to get it plugged in, and then I'll show y'all the light. Okay, there you go. I can't see anything. Yikes, can't hold it. Alright, so there's my new light. What do y'all think? So, imagine this thing about 20 feet off the ground. It'll light up my whole forage area, so I should be able to work at nighttime. Yeah. So, whoa, that's a bright one. Woo! Can't see, all I see is little red spots. Oh, okay. Anyway, it's cool, right? I just love little toys like that. It's just so awesome. I'll be able to fire this thing up and work at nighttime like daytime and trick my body into thinking it's daytime because of the sunlight that I've got looking out here. So it's awesome. But anyway, I have to create an exterior case to put it in. So I got my eyes open, believe it or not, for an old kitchen sink. I'm going to mount it inside a kitchen sink and then use that as the waterproof thing, you know. Just to truly, I'm an electronics guy. I like tweaking with stuff, but you know, deep down, I'm still a redneck, guys. You know, give me a piece of junk and I want to mess with it. Anyway, peace to you. Love y'all. Have a great night.